Hello kids, welcome to Joy Kids Learning. Today I'll teach you parts of body. Let's learn together. Nose, touch your nose. Great job. Eyes, look with your eyes. Blink blink. Eyebrows, wiggle your eyebrows. Teeth, show me a big smile with your teeth. Tongue, stick out your tongue. Ear, listen carefully with your ears. Hair, pet your hair. Neck, turn your neck. Arm, show me your strong arm. Fingers, wiggle all your fingers. Chest, take a deep breath. That's your chest. Belly, pat your belly. Legs, stamp your legs. Foot, tap your foot. Awesome. Let's say them all together super fast. Hair, eyebrows, ears, eyes, teeth, tongue, nose, neck, chest, fingers, belly, foot, legs. Yay! Game time. Can you help me match? Eye goes to eye. Hand goes to hand. Teeth go to teeth. Foot go to foot. Wow, perfect. Quick practice. Say it with me. Hair, nose, ear, and this is eyebrows. This is tongue. This is eye. This is foot. This is hand. This is neck. This is lips. Thanks for watching. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun.